We're going to do something today that I've never done before. We're going to test out the max flight distance of the Potensic Atom 2, mainly because I'm just scared of losing it. I don't want to fly it really far out and lose it and have to go get it again. Potensic says the max transmission distance is 10 kilometers, and I honestly don't believe it's going to go that far. I'll be happy if it gets half that distance, because that 10 kilometers is probably in perfect conditions. No buildings, no trees, no hills, no Wi-Fi, no nothing to disrupt the transmission. So I'm standing in the middle of a farmer's field to give it the best chance it can to reach 10 kilometers. And I'm going to be flying it in that direction, and there's absolutely nothing in that direction other than some power lines and trees. So it's the best I can do. So leave a comment down below how far you think the Potensic Atom 2 is going to fly, and we'll see who gets the closest guess. And if you guys want to check out the Potensic Atom 2, I'll leave an affiliate link down below and any other tech that I use or have checked out on the channel. And I'm going to be screen recording everything on my phone, so I don't use any battery power trying to record with the camera on the drone. This area around my town I think was the best place I could have tried this test, other than the power lines that might have caused some interference and lowered the max distance I could have flown. Let me know also if you've personally tested the max flight distance with your drones. It doesn't matter what brand it was, but have you gotten close to the brand's claims? I also have a full review video of the Potensic Atom 2. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out, because overall I still think it's a good drone. So we got about 2.7 kilometers away before the video cut out and the drone turned itself around and forced its way back. Now 2.7 kilometers is a lot less than 10 kilometers, and I feel like Potensic should lower their claims if it can't even get halfway to that 10 kilometers. But what do you guys think? Did I do something wrong? Should I test it in a different area to see if I can get a higher distance? Let me know. Again, thanks for watching.